I'm going over how to find the highest common factor of at least two numbers using prime factors. Now to do this, you need to know how to do prime factor decomposition. So I'll show you how to do that again if you don't remember. So I've got 24 here. I've listed the first few prime numbers to use. So 24, lowest prime number that goes into it is 2. And then 24 divided by 2 is 12. So we do that. Then we've got 12, the lowest prime number into it is 2 again. So 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, again, lowest prime number that goes into 6 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. And that's also a prime number, so we'll circle that. So that means 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. All right? So, we're going to go to an example with some steps here. So we want to find the highest common factor of 36. Apologise if you hear the tweeting, that is my budgie going off. So, back to the question, highest common factor of 24 and 36. Now, with this here, I've got my steps. So first one is to find the prime factors of each number. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I've already done 24 up here. So I'm just going to find the prime factors of 36. So start with 36 there. And let's start finding the prime. So 2 is the lowest prime that goes into it. Let's list those prime numbers to help me. Okay, so 36 goes into it. Divided by 2 is 18. Next lowest prime to go into 18 is going to be 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Lowest prime number that goes into 9, not 2, it's 3. And 9 divided by 3 is also 3. So that means 36, let me write this out, is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And I'll write out the 24 just above it, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So that's just the first step to realise. You've got a list of factors, the prime factors of each number. Now, once you've done this, to now start calculating, you need to draw a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram looks something like that. So 2 circles overlapping. And this will be my 24 side and that will be my 36 side. Now we need to place these numbers here within the Venn diagram. So we want to place numbers in both lists in the middle. So the numbers that appear in both lists. So you have a look. This 2 matches with that 2 there. So we'll put that in the list in the middle. This 2 can match with that 2 there. So it's got a direct partner, so it goes in the middle. That 2 has no match, so we'll leave it for the moment. That 3 can match with that 3 there. So we'll put it in the list, and that 3 has no partner in the list above. So we've put the ones in both lists in the middle. Now we've placed the remaining numbers in their specific circles. So that 2 can go there, and that 3 can go here. Now to find the highest common factor, so that's the largest factor that's in both lists, you now multiply all the numbers from just the middle section, so this middle section here, together. So that will be 2 times by 2 times by 3. So you can break this up. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And that means the highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. All right. So now I have a second one below. You can press pause and give it a go, but I will go over it in detail in a moment. Alright, so let's have a look now. So start with finding the factors or prime factors of 18. So I'm going to list my factors, 2, 3, 5, sorry, my prime numbers to give me help, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So lowest prime number into there is 2, circle it, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Lowest prime number into 9, 2 doesn't go, 3 does. So I've got 3, 9 divided by 3 is also 3, which is also prime. Now let's do the same with 45. So I've got that there. Prime number that goes into it, I'm going to go for 5 this time actually, not the lowest one. So 45 can be divided by 5, which is, and 45 divided by 5 is 9. And at this point, prime number that goes into 9 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is also 3. So there we go. So let me just list what I have. So 18 is 2 times 3 times by 3. And 45 is, I'll start with the lowest digit first. So 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, so that was the first step. The next one was to draw a Venn diagram. So I'll draw this below. Okay, and put 18 on one side, 45 on the other. So we want to start placing the numbers that are in both lists in the middle. So if we have a look, that 2 doesn't have any match, so we're not going to do anything. Let's look at the next number, 3. So that 3 directly matches with that 3, so we'll put it in the middle. Next one, 3, and that 3 directly match, put it in the middle. That 5 has no match. So now, next step was to place the remaining numbers in their relevant circles. So this 2 will go here, and that 5 will go there. So you've done that now, and final step to calculate the highest common factor was to multiply everything in this middle section together. So we've just got 3 and 3, so we'll have 3 times 3 is 9, and that means the highest common factor of 18 and 45 is 9, and this is how you calculate the highest common factor using prime factors.